The best things about your country. Akan ganyan. Sa kita, wala pa.
Swan in the USA. Birthright.
I can use this one in my reading class. I teach grade 2 to 6 struggling readers. So when I look at your board, I also made this one. So the pupils would be motivated to learn how to read. By this one, we also learn the decoding skill, the fluency. That's why this is very applicable to any grade level. So I already answered the 2 questions.
Ladies, some long, boring, not short, not bad, some hot and fun, that every people feel more cold, that no one like it.
Siya mo share with the nga mga workshop. My partner a while ago, Ma'am Mitch, we choose, and karon si Ma'am. So we choose board games because through board games, the learners are enjoying while they're doing something, and they freely talk, or they can talk freely. I mean, by doing the board games, they're not.
Sige mo. Yes. Nasa 4 season. Yes.
Is it color red?
Yes.
Is it an apple?
No.
Is it a strawberry?
No.
Is it a tomato?
Yes. The size is small. Then the shape round. Then color, we have here color, we have 3 colors, green, red, and orange.
If you need me to read the procedure, so I will do.
I am so grateful that I have become part of this American English training. I learned so much. I learned how to use the board games in teaching my pupils, as well as the puzzle and so many other games that will help me in teaching my children in the classroom.
Hello everyone! I'm so happy and so blessed to be part of this workshop for today's American English trainers for all the trainers. For all the learnings I have today, it is a great help for me to impart all the knowledge, all the materials, all the given materials to my learners, to my daily activities, especially as an English teacher.
From the workshops, we learned lots of fun and engaging activities. Today, I learned from the workshops, materials are very useful, especially to the teachers, and games are also very useful in the teaching learning process.
Yeah, it's very useful in the sense that the materials can be downloaded, which can be used by the teachers in the field, especially to us, we're in the different grade levels, but still those activities can be applied to all levels from the kinder up to the grade 6 level. It's very, very fun to use with them.
I love American English.
We love American English.
We love